Morning guys, August 4th, 2021. This one I got a call from a new customer. He says his AC's not working. He thinks it's a float switch upstairs that's water in the pan or something from what he was saying. We're gonna go check that out. And that's probably shutting off the outside unit. That's what he said over the phone, so. Somebody was there a couple of years ago and that's what they did and that fixed the problem. We'll go by and check it out. I mean, if the guy knew what he was doing, he wouldn't be calling me, right? So, I'm gonna take all this shit with a grain of salt. Could be that, could be something else, could be anything. We'll go figure it out for the guy, get him his AC back. There's no water in the pan. There's a float switch there. There's no water in the pan, so it's got to be outside. I don't see any water in there. Something smells a little cooky up here. It smells cooked. Nothing's running up there. I'm gonna have to bring up my tools and see why. Oh, it smells like it might be a bad transformer up there or something. So we got that vacuumed. Yep. Yeah, so you're gonna need to get, like I said, no higher than mirror 4. This is okay. A 12. For now, we can get it working for now.
Okay, I'll have him do that.
So it smells a little cooked up here like a transformer or something. We have to check that. We'll pull this panel off and take a look. Water's not hot. Oh, it smells like something's cooked here. Like a transformer smell. Oh, that board looks cooked. Board looks fried. Oh yeah, the board's fried. Look at the board's fried right there. That's no good. Look at that. That's kind of weird. Board fried right there. It's pretty bad. It's pretty burnt. I don't know if it got hit by lightning or what happened to it, but she's pretty cooked. I'm gonna put the other board on there and swap the wires out. Not a cheap board, that's for sure. So this thing was, she's really cooked. I did check the motor leads. I put the new board in there, and I put a fuse here, the low voltage. So we'll see what happens. I don't know if I even got any power. Maybe she tripped downstairs. There's no delay on this thing. Kind of odd. Alright guys, so I got power going into it. I got that thing jumped out and that transformer's smoke too. I got power going in but nothing coming out, so I gotta change that step down transformer also. That's not working. Alright, so I got the new transformer in there. I don't know if you can see it or not. And I got it hooked up to the 110. I gotta tie all these wires up after. Here's a 208 or 240. And then I got the low voltage hooked up through a fuse here. So if the low voltage jacks up, the fuse will blow. I did check the contactor going outside. It was 19, so that shouldn't be blowing it. So when I turn it on, it should turn on. Alright, we'll wrap this up and then we should be good now. Put this all back together and then we should be good. The that transformer blew the board because it didn't have a fuse on it. There you go. Shit happens. $3 tons, a little one 12-inch filter for 3 tons. Looking crazy. Was that a 14? I think that's a 12. Crazy shit, mama. It looks like a 12-inch. That's the only one I could find. He said it's been cooling okay. We're gonna check it. We'll check it outside. It's a Goodman. It's gonna be a little low on charge. Gonna be a little low on charge there, mama. Alright, well, not looking too bad. Got a TXV, so we gotta go buy subcooling. And this is R22. The unit upstairs is 410. They must have changed the TXV up there. So we're good with the subcooling. And it's as good as it's gonna get right there. We'll have to leave it right there. There's no load upstairs really. So that's fine. Charge is fine. That's a little off there. Should probably try putting a little bit in there, and it might have a piston. Give it a little, how you doing? See if it makes a difference. Subcooling up to 12. I should have checked what they had up there for a metering device, but I didn't look. It said TXV in the front of the unit, but mismatched equipment shit, you know? You don't know what the other guy's got in there for a device or piston or whatever. It's got a TXV. I'm not that worried about it. I'm thinking it's got a TXV in it because this suction pressure would be a lot lower if it had a piston. I'm gonna leave it right there. I believe it's got a TXV up there.